So you're going to a new culture, a new place like England, and you want to see if it's a different way of how to use your silverware. Hi, I'm Hazley Lopez from Hazley Academy of Refinement and Modeling, and I'm here to talk to you about how to use your fork and knife in England. First, we're going to start by, you have your utensils in your hand, and you start cutting using your fork on your left hand and your knife on your right hand. You cut. When you're resting to take a break, or you're having a conversation, or you're eating, you rest the knife on top and you change hands. It is okay to change hands from one side to the other for your fork, and then you grab it and change again and keep cutting. When you're done, you're simply going to rest your utensils in front of you. That's going to let the server know that you are done. It's a little bit different from here, from the United States, where we just put them on the side. So that's just a little extra tip. And remember that if you're visiting a new place, you just have to adapt to the new culture. It's not really different. You just have to get along with it. I'm Hazley Lopez from Hazley Academy of Refinement and Modeling, and I hope you have a great, safe trip.